Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use S Recorder. As a beginner, you have many ideas, but you are camera shy. You don't know how to face camera. You can record your voice, put it in your channel while you teach your audience. So this is S Recorder icon. Some already have it on their phone, but if you don't have it on your phone, you can go to your store, search for it, download it in your Play Store. I already have it on my phone, and some already have it on the phone. When you come to this side of your phone, you have it in any corner here. It has a decoder icon. Click on the decoder and start using it. Today I'm going to show you how to put it in order and put it in use. Let's open to S Recorder. Let's open our S Recorder. We leave it to open. Is open now. It has opened. This is the interface of our S Recorder. When you open S Recorder, you will see these four icons. So the first one is the brush, and you use the brush to indicate the particular place you were talking about. This is the brush that I'm talking about now. You can use the brush to indicate what you are explaining now. So after the brush, we have face cam. The face cam, if you want your audience to see your face, you click on it. If you want your audience to see your face, you click on it. Once you click on it, your face will be showing. As you can see my face now, but I don't want my face to show, so I click back on it. Then you move to screen shots. If there is anything you want to screenshot, you click screenshot it, then you explain. Then the floating ball, you cannot see the floating ball here because I'm already using the video. So let me come out of this page. So move to this is the floating ball. Can you see? This is the floating ball. So in the floating ball, we have some tools there. In the floating ball, we have the stop, we have the start, we have the brush, then we have some tools there. So that is the purpose of the floating ball. So you can start recording your voice and send to your audience on your channel. So this will not stop you from making your video again. If you have found value in this video, please subscribe, like and share. I remain your host, Lawal Kudirat. See you in next video.